So it is 8:44 and we're going now to the airport. We're gonna
In the future, I hope you fix your glasses.
we're gonna go and fly out. Are you ready, Mama? You're not ready?
No.
I'm so excited. I worked this morning, you know, all that fun stuff. You ready, Dad? Woohoo! So we shall see this fun vlog.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
That you do place in the cruise and handle space in the aisle.
Madre, guagua, mi esposa.
También es un video, by the way. Hi, ladies.
NTBC.
Are you guys ready?
Heck yeah, I am. I've been ready since last year when we came back from Miami.
We're officially in Fort Lauderdale. Yeah.
Hey.
You can feel the humidity already. It's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. It's so early. It's like Utah time 3:30. No, 3:50. 3:50. Yeah.
So what's up, guys?
We just got to Miami Beach. I was asleep, and we're gonna witness Kennedy open her maleta for the first time. Hold on. Staying here for what? We're like
8 days.
8 days.
8 días, mamá.
No way. Tantas cosas. Dude.
I have more like than 6 outfits.
Dude. 6, 7 outfits. Dude, how did your mom do that?
Props to La Pastora Alma. She knows how to pack.
Man, we should have told her.
We're gonna need her help when we have to pack again.
So we weren't expecting to come to the ocean at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., but that's okay. We're gonna get in and we're gonna enjoy it, right?
Yep.
Since it's 15 of us, we've rented a house, and this house is so bougie. I love it so much. So many rooms, enough for all of us. We're 15, so it just worked out. And my family is getting a shower and a bathroom itself. So let me show you guys what it is, because I was shook. So you walk into the bathroom, and we have a very, very sweet tub. It's so nice and deep. And we got 2 shower reins there. And then we got 1 sink, 2 sinks, and then they're so cute. They put our towels there, little flowers for us. It's a lot of storage space. And here is the toilet. So you got a toilet and then a bidet. So yeah, little private area. Then we got my parents' master room, which is a king bed. And then it has their TV, storage space everywhere, and then the closet. The walk-in closet is so dope. So it's so freaking big. And then my sister, the youngest one, decided to bring beanbag in here so she can sleep. Walk out. We got the stairs, very pretty. Then we got the guys' room, where they got bunk beds for them and another walk-in closet. We got another room for 2, another bathroom, and then that is in my room. So we got our TV, storage space, a chair, our queen bed. She's taking that side. I'm taking this side. And then more closet space, another walk-in closet. So you go down the stairs, and I love the flooring and everything for this house. And this is the front door, so as you walk in, you have a little sitting area, which is so pretty and so cute. Then you have another room and another bathroom over there. And then the living room. TVs, seats everywhere. I love it. And then we got the kitchen and my mama in the kitchen. So you got the kitchen table, which has a lot of space, and the kitchen, which I love. Coffee makers, all that fun stuff. And we got the man cave.
Why you got a small one?
So besides the kitchen, we have our washer and dryer, which is an essential. Say it with me.
Oh my gosh, there's a Coke.
Such a pretty house. I love it. Then you come out here.
Oh, buddy, guess what?
What? Oh, it is so humid and hot. So we got the grill, we got some seats over her, we got a table over her, we got a little fireplace over there, and then I'm in love with these little lights. And we got a palm tree. Like, what a perfect way. We got more seats. We got another TV out here. Oh my gosh, there's a coconut. Just don't drop it. And then we got more, and then a hammock. And it is so pretty out here. This is how I want my house to be honest. Hold on, let me show them. So, like I mentioned earlier, the bathroom's right here. Here's another bathroom. It's just bathroom, and then you can wash it. I love the fact that they left things there. Then we got this room, which is a little just other room. This is where my brother's gonna stay. So this is a couch, but it'll turn into a bed. And then he has like just a little thing, you know, TV and little games. And let's find out what's in here. A closet that goes all the way through. So he's got a pretty big closet too. I was just so shook with the house. I'm so happy. I'm loving it. It is so pretty. Like I'm really, really happy with this house and how it looks. And I'm so happy we finally made it to the house. Feels great. We're at the zoo! And it suddenly started raining really, really harsh. So yeah, we're gonna make it happen today. We're gonna just enjoy, you know. Her makeup's gonna stay on. How do I look?
Oh my god, I'm terrible.
Yeah, so come with us, zoo trip, because we love the zoo.
Yes, I
I will see you guys on the next clip.
want to leave your backpack. Wait, where are you guys going? We're going to see how bad it is. Wait, no, I'm going.
That was just walking. Oh, my eyeballs burn.
The elephant is out in the middle of the rain. He's showering. There's the queen of the jungle.
Se hace el este. ¿Es este el que? ¿La leona? ¿Es la leona?
It's been so dope. The rain is gone now. Feels good, but my hair is puffy now. I am a very big puff ball now.
It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Go outside.
We ended up coming up to the lighthouse. I am sweating so much. Se ve como mi highlight está bien súper ahorita. But it is amazing. A gorgeous view. Vamos. Valió la pena la subida. Yeah, it was worth it. But yeah, I am really out of shape. I am in love with how glistening and glowing I am. Hi guys, so we are now just getting ready to leave the house. It's like 10 a.m. We gotta be out of here by 11, so it's been amazing. A full week out here. I'm in love with it. I am so happy and so blessed by coming out here. Thank you so much to everyone that I got to meet and everyone that ministered us and everyone that was just here. It was just amazing. Such a great time. And we're so sad that we're leaving. Hey guys, so we're back in Utah, full force and everything. Happy 4th of July.